Shalom, welcome back for another Elul moment. Today is the 4th of Elul. And I want to share with you Mi Chamocha. Mi Chamocha is a prayer that's recited both morning and evening throughout the year. But it has special significance on Rosh Hashanah. Mi Chamocha, where we ask, who is like you, God? And we offer praise. Ends with a bracha, may we praise God who is our Redeemer. What does it mean to be a Redeemer? What does it mean to be redemption? Well, one way, I think it means bringing us all together as one community. And how do we do that? And what are the obstacles? To me, one of the major obstacles of bringing community together is that, frankly, we don't always get along with each other. People wrong one another, people don't like one another, and it's really a very difficult thing to bring community together as a whole. Richard Levy, on page 8 of our Machzor Lev Shalem, has the following prayer. A prayer for redemption. True redemption will arrive when enemies understand the humanity common to us all. When the praises sung by Israel can be sung by all peoples, forever rescued from their fears and hates, their cowardice and cruelty. When I think about Ga'al Yisrael and bringing everyone together, I wonder, how is it that we can recognize the humanity in those who are our enemies? Or perhaps at an easier level, how do we recognize the humanity in the people that we don't like? And when we recognize that humanity, what do we do about it? How do we overcome it to bring community together? How do we create redemption? So Richard Levy teaches us that this comes when we overcome our dislike for another, when we overcome our fears and our hates. And I think that's the piece that we have to work on now. Today, work on thinking about how is it we recognize the humanity in those we don't like, and if so, what do we do about it? Thank you very much. I'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow for another Elul moment.